welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the April edition of Glossybox to share with you. And this month it comes in a pink mesh bag instead of a box. So Glossybox costs £13.50 a month, and that includes shipping. Inside you get 5 beauty treats with a minimum value of £50. They do offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. I have my own refer a friend code, which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box, bringing it down to £8.50. I'll put all the codes, all the links down below in my description. And also this month, new subscribers will receive a little mini e.l.f. eyeshadow palette worth £5. So a little extra in your box. So yeah, you'll find everything listed down there, including all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, you're welcome, take a look. Let's get on showing you what's inside. Value of this month's edit is £59. And look, I've only just realised this is what new subscribers will receive. So this is a PR box, so which is why they're obviously sent this to me so I can share it with you if I decide to share the contents. But yeah, so all new subscribers will receive this Berry Bad, a bite-sized shadow worth £5. So yeah, so that's a little freebie. It's the spring edit. There's a QR code on the back there. So if you scan that, that'll bring up information about the products. And also, if you do subscribe this month, you get to choose what Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil shade you want in next month's box. There's a choice of 3 different colours. That is something I really like them doing. You don't share the same eyebrow shade, so no, that's handy. Right, so let's start off then with Christophe Robin. Now you'll either receive this one, which is the regenerating mask with a prickly pear oil, and there's 40 mils there. So after shampooing, you apply all over and leave for 5 minutes, and then you rinse off then. Smells gorgeous. Smells really nice. Yeah, I like this one. I always use this as like a conditioner whenever I see them in beauty boxes. So you'll either receive this one, or you'll receive an instant volumizing leave-in mist, or a hydrating melting mask, or a color shield cleansing mask. And they're all in these little mini sizes. So yeah, so you'll get 1 of 4 of those. Then we got This Works. This is a body wash, perfect body smoothing wash, a resurfacing wash for face and body with exfoliating fruit acids and PHAs. And there's 50 mils there. They suggest to apply it to your body and leave on for a couple of minutes before rinsing off to get the most out of it. I can't remember the smell now. I just want to sniff it. I think it smells quite nice from what I can remember. Oh, no, it's not what I had in mind. It's a very strong smell. I don't particularly like it. Just not a nice fruity type perfumey smell that I prefer in showers. Right, we've got Wild Science Happy Glow Face Butter with aloe vera, lanolin and glycerin from the Root and Fruit Skincare Collection. And there's 20 mils there. Happy Glow Face Butter. I wasn't expecting that, face butter. I was expecting it to be more like a balm. But it's clear, can you see? Yeah, I was expecting it to be like a balm, like a really thick, luxurious body cream, but obviously for your face. That's what I had in my mind. But no, it feels really nice. It feels really nice and cooling. But yeah, it's a nice, nice gel. I've got a bit of fake tan on my hand there, so it looks a bit more brown than normal. It does feel really nice in the skin. No extra information on there, but it's a really nice sort of moisturising gel. So it's a face butter. Glowy face butter. Then we've got Grum, and this is a roll-on fragrance, amber and cardamom. Crisp citrus and herbal cardamom lead into a floral heart of violet, rose and saffron, grounded by smooth amber, sandalwood and musk. So you roll it onto your pulse points. Allow the fragrance to intensify from the warmth of your body. Okay, I don't think I'm going to like this one, but I might be wrong. See, there's a little roller ball there. Let's try a little bit there. I should be putting it there really, shouldn't I? But not if I'm not going to like the smell. Yeah, it's got that farm smell to it. What is that farm smell? I smell it in certain perfumes. I like a lot of perfumes with jasmine in it, but whenever I mention farm smelling scents, you all say, oh, it's the jasmine, it's got to be the jasmine, but there's no jasmine in this. Yeah, I don't like it. No, I don't like it, unfortunately. But I'm sure many of you will, because I smell this type of smell everywhere. Whenever I'm going shopping, I can smell that scent everywhere. I'm not actually going poo, I'm not. Because it's not pure farm, it's just a hint of farm. I'll just shut up now. Then we've got the Beauty Crop Vitamin Bake Setting Powder. Is it in translucent? Yep, translucent. And like you got a little puff. I love these puffs. Great underneath your eyes, setting. Well, anyway, so nice. Yeah, really like that. And I can't grab it now. But yeah, so you just pull that back. Then you've got holes there to shake the powder through. So it's translucent setting powder with a puff by the Beauty Crop. And there you go. Those are all the items in the April Glossy Box. So we've got Christophe Robin, and this is Regenerating Mask. You'll get 1 of 4 Christophe Robin products. The Beauty Crop Vitamin Bake Setting Powder. I really like this. Wild Science Happy Glow Face Butter Moisturiser. Then we've got This Works. This is a Perfect Body Smoothing Wash. Then we've got a Roll-On Fragrance, and this is by Grum. And if you're new to Glossybox and you take out a subscription this month, you will also receive this little elf palette as well. So yeah, so I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this month's edit? Do you think it's a good one, or you think, eh? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.